How to change your country on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to do that. So without any delay, let's just get started. So if you'd like to change your country on Roblox, first of all, head over to roblox.com on any of your devices. And once you are logged in, you can find the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it and look out for the option of settings within the option and open it up. Once you are here, you will be taken to this account info section right here, and when you scroll down here, you will be finding options to change your account location. So particularly if you want to change your language, when we tap on this English language, we will be given a bunch of options to change our language into. But if you want to change a location, we do not have that option right here that lets us expand this particular box and change our country. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and contact Roblox support for that. You may scroll down from the given page directly and look out for this option called About Us. Go ahead and click on that option and you will be taken to this page right here from where, and look out for the option of resources at the top menu, and from there go to Help Center and open up your Help Center. Now here in this page, what you can do is in the search for article section, just go ahead and type in location or country. So let me just go ahead and type in country, and you can look out for the option. Let me just go ahead and type another, and then look out for this option called changing account language. Head over to it and open it up. Now here you can see the instructions to change your account language, but if you'd like to change your country, what you may do is go over and look out for this option right here, need more help, contact support here. So just go ahead and head over to it, open up the particular link, and it will lead you to this particular form right here. So the next thing you need to do is go ahead and fill out the form, log in if possible. So here in this section, enter up your username, your first name, your email address for this account right here, confirm it, and ensure what device are you having problem in, for example PC or even your Android or iPhone, etc. Once that is done, you can select type of help category, drop it down and select the option for how to. So you may drop this option down right here and scroll to the option and go over to how to section. Once you are here in the subcategory section, select the option how to change my location, and here you can just go ahead and describe your issue. So just go ahead and describe your issue, select account settings, change in country reason, like hello Roblox, I just changed my location, but it is showing my previous location till now. So you just need to complete up this process and continue the process. Once you fill out this form and send it to them, they will respond to your request and probably ask you some proof of that you have changed the location or something like that. And once confirmed, they should probably help you update your location, and that is it. If this does not work, you can just go ahead and create a new account, and that time you can just go ahead and select your country and location for the country or location that you are currently right now. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.